Good evening, everyone. We're at Joe's Bar today, above Oliveto, in our pizza restaurant in Elizabeth Street, where I'm here to review this new one of the month that is going to start today. This is a very special wine. It's a Brunello di Montalcino. The name is Almost. It's 2019. So it's got a bit of it's got 6 years of vintage, which it needs for a good Brunello. It's a full body red, big wine with very fine tannin and elegant finish, and it's spectacular wine to drink. This is produced by one of our regular clients who allows us to buy directly from the producer, and we be able to sell it at £68.50 in the restaurant and 44 in the shop. But trust me, it's a bargain, because the cheapest price you would pay in a restaurant for Brunello, a decent Brunello, is £100. So you will see it. I hope you will be able to come here and try it. And you can always try it here at Joe's Bar. We have a couple of tables you can eat upstairs and enjoy with a winter weather and the Christmas weather. And wish you a Merry Christmas, everybody, and have a drink of Brunello to enjoy with it. Thank you.